Hey Scott, so I have this slide here and it's 720 pixels wide. So when I go to view and add the grid lines, I get my grid lines, and then when I want to have an object centered, so like an object or a text box or something, and it automatically will pick up the true center. So all you have to do is just kind of drag it until you get those two crosshairs, and then you've got the center of that. So this here, while this is uh, at 288 by 213, when you look at where the center of this square is, it's actually that 360 that we were talking about. So just kind of drag it until you see all of the purple lines line up, and I think you'll be good to go. Hopefully that answers your question.